In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Dmarc on Klaviyo and branded sending domains. We'll get started by heading over to Klaviyo, where you need to sign into your account. Once you're on the main dashboard, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. There you'll notice your profile icon. Go ahead and give it a click. This action will reveal a side menu where you need to select Settings. From there, navigate to Account and finally click on Domains. Now that you're under the Domains section, it's time to take the next step by clicking on Connect Domain. Here you'll be prompted to enter your domain name. Make sure you input it correctly, as this is crucial for the setup process. Once you've typed in your domain name, proceed by clicking Continue. At this point, Klaviyo will work its magic and generate DNS records for you. These will include SPF, DKIM and Dmarc records. The next step involves copying the values of these records. You'll need these values in a moment, so it's a good idea to have them at the ready before moving on. With those values in hand, head over to GoDaddy and log into your account there. Once inside, navigate to My Products, select Domain and then click on DNS. This will take you to the settings area where you can modify your domain's DNS records. Now it's time to add those records you copied earlier. First, you'll add the SPF record, followed by the DKIM record, and finally the Dmarc record. Make sure they are accurately entered to avoid any issues down the line. After successfully adding the records, it's time to shift back to your Klaviyo account. You'll want to click on the Verify button to make sure that your DNS records have been set up correctly. This verification step is essential to confirm that everything is functioning as it should. It's important to note that DNS changes can take some time to propagate. In most cases, this can be up to 48 hours, so if the verification doesn't succeed immediately, don't worry, give it some time and check back later. Once you've passed the verification, congratulations, your Dmarc setup on Klaviyo and branded sending domains is complete. By completing these steps, you've taken a significant step towards improving your email deliverability and ensuring that your communications are secure and trusted. This setup not only protects your domain, but also builds trust with your recipients, ultimately enhancing your email campaigns. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to refer back to these steps or consult Klaviyo's support for additional help. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.